What up guys, welcome to Hord Studios, and today we are looking at how to export PNG files in a view layers. So I just opened Blender here and I'm just going to make up my scene quick. I just imported the cube and I will just add the plane as well. Let's just scale up this plane a little bit bigger. And I will no longer need the light, so basically what we can do is just delete it. We're going to use HDR, so let's just delete this light. You'll have to just get the snap and then we can snap it in the Y direction. We should snap quick, just like that. Yes. Now that we are snapped, you can check it. There is no distance between the cube and the plane, so this is how I want it. Now we can add the HDR background. This HDR background, I took it from Polyhaven, so you can get them there for free. Go back to that render view and you will see how it looks now with lights. So the shadows is not there because I'm using EV, so let's move to cycles, and with cycles there then you can see the shadows, but sometimes cycle can slow down your PC, like you can see on mine with a simple scene like this, but you see jagged view, so we will use EV instead. And now let's just make the collections. Collections is going to be used for our view layers so that we can separate and set hold out. Drag the plane into the plane collection and drag the cube into the main collection. Now we have composition. You just have to press the use nodes and there you have it. Now what you need to do is copy and paste the render layer. Now let's search file output. On file output you will also see that it's written PNG, so basically it's used for setting out your view layers. let's just render our OpenEXR multi-layer. So what you need to do is you have to have ACES. If you don't know how to add ACES into Blender, please check the video up here. With that being said, you don't need file output anymore, so you just have to choose the folder at which your OpenEXR is going to go to and render it out. And just like that, you have your EXR. Now mostly you will use your view LUT, but in this case we will take the view LUT from our Blender folder. So let's browse, and then you need to go to ACES folder and then press that config file, and that's the LUT. But now you also have to choose your source input. Our source input in this form was ACES CG, so let's look for that. ACES CG, press that, and then our output space, mostly your screen, it might be sRGB or Rec 709. So in this case I chose Rec 709. Let's go for the Rec 709, and just like that, in DaVinci Resolve, whatever is in DaVinci Resolve View LUT is only for fusion, for you to see your view, but it's not going to be rendered out to your media or to your edit page. So for you to get it in the edit page, what you need to do is to add ACES transform. So let's add ACES transform. On your input transform, you just need to choose ACES CG and then your output transform. You can either take it to sRGB, or in this form we're using Rec 709, and do that for all the images that are coming from Blender. Blender and you can see DaVinci Resolve, they all look the same. So with that being said, is you have to use ACES for you to have color that is matching. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos like this.